Hop into the 2020 INFINITI QX50. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a spacious and luxurious QX50. This premium SUV wows and delights with a serenely quiet, exquisitely appointed cabin, driver assist safety features, and smooth, powerful performance. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, power liftgate. Feel relaxed and inspired in this richly appointed QX50. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.